All right, picture this. It's race day. You're on the start line, adrenaline pumping, ready for a grueling XCM marathon, or maybe a high-speed gravel epic. Every single detail on your bike has been obsessed over, cleaned, and double-checked. Or has it?
I mean, just look at this machine. It's a thing of beauty, right? Perfectly tuned, sparkling clean, and just begging to go fast. Your tire pressure is dialed to the PSI, the chain is silent, the suspension is set just for you. This is the result of countless hours of prep.
But as you glance down at your handlebars, there's this tiny little shadow of a doubt. That one small thing you were fighting with this morning. The one detail that still doesn't feel quite right.
And that brings us to the classic race morning chaos. You know that feeling? You're fumbling with zip ties or old rubber bands, just trying to get your number plate on straight moments before you have to roll out to the start.
Yep, this thing, the humble race plate. It's amazing how this simple piece of plastic can become a huge source of pre-race frustration. It's the last-minute distraction you absolutely do not need.
We have all been there. The number is flapping in the wind. It's buzzing against your head tube on the descents, or even worse, it gets tangled up with your brake and shifter cables, messing with your performance right when you need it the most. It scratches your expensive carbon handlebars and, let's be honest, it's almost never, ever perfectly straight.
But what if there was a better way? What if we could shift from that pre-race chaos to the calm of engineering elegance? What if this problem wasn't just, patched over, but actually solved?
And this right here really shows the difference. This isn't just a piece of plastic, it's a component. You can see in the CAD drawing that every curve, every angle has been thought through. This is a solution born from intentional design.
Here we can see exactly how it works. The two-bolt clamp design is made to grip the handlebar securely, while the arm of the holder reaches forward. The whole thing is engineered for absolute stability.
So now, let's take a look at how this design really transforms the cockpit of the bike. We're not just talking about function here, we're also talking about form. It's about creating a system that looks every bit as professional as it performs.
And there you have it. The difference is it's immediate and it's striking. On the left, a clean front end just waiting for a solution. On the right, a perfectly integrated, stable, professional-looking race number. No mess and zero compromises.
So, how's this perfect alignment achieved? Well, by using two separate mounts on either side of the stem, you get perfect symmetry every single time. No more tilting your head, squinting, trying to see if the number is straight. It just is. Now look a little closer. The forward-facing design completely solves one of the biggest problems. It lifts the number up and away from the handlebar, leaving a totally clear path for your brake and shifter cables. And that means smooth, reliable performance. So what does that mean out on the trail? It means this holder isn't moving an inch. It doesn't matter if you're hammering through a technical XCO rock garden or flying down a chunky gravel descent. Your number plate stays put. It's solid, it's silent, and it's secure. Okay, so let's bring this all together. This is about so much more than just tidying up your handlebars. This is about perfecting that final detail, giving you one less thing to worry about so you can focus on what really matters.
Because in the end, this is the goal, right? A clear mind and complete, total confidence in your equipment. When you're not distracted by a flapping number or worried about a snagged cable, you can put 100% of your energy into your line, your effort, and your race.
So I'll just leave you with this question. In a sport where every single gram, every watt, and every second matters, why would you ever accept a compromise on the details? Are you ready to roll up to that start line with the confidence of knowing every part of your bike is truly ready to race?